Abubakar Malami SAN politician Igbos are stupid and unruly. They are the problem in this country. The Hausa recognizes their position as conquered slaves. They recognize the supremacy of the Fulani. The Hausas are happy being our slaves and we treat them well. The Hausa will not seek to sit on the same table with their masters. They will not demand to be in government. They know it is haram. The Kobo Igbos will not take their place as the conquered slaves they are. They refuse Fulani grazing on their land. Nigeria is our heritage. Our forefather Othman Dan Fodio secured this heritage for us. The Fulanis are the special breed ordained by Allah to be served. That is why Nnamdi Kanu must die. He challenged a power greater than his tribe. He challenged an authority established by Allah. We poisoned his parents to send a warning across to him, but he refused to listen. He has received his own dose. He will rot from inside and die very painfully. He cannot reason well again. The judge will keep adjourning his case for him to have a good taste of a painful death. This is a lesson to you Igbo people. Fulani owns this country. Mark my words, no infidel shall smell the seat of power in this country ever again. Nobody should utter such rubbish as three main tribes in Nigeria. There is only one tribe in Nigeria. The Fula. Henceforth we shall not tolerate any insubordination from infidel vassals. The Fulani herdsmen have the rights to kill, maim and rape any stubborn slave. Slaves are brought under submission. Only the Fulani lords have the right to carry arms. The herdsmen are entitled to any land they desire from the north to the south. Nigeria belongs to the Fulani. Establishment of the grazing route is a must. Britain have a morbid hatred for Igbos. They are in full support of the Fulani land acquisition agenda. It is a pact signed at the amalgamation. Britain knows that Fulani owns Nigeria. They have given the go-ahead to kill Nnamdi Kanu at once, but we want to enjoy his slow, painful death. The Igbos must surrender their lands or die to the last man. The Igbos are a pollution. They must disappear from this country either by death or exile. Killing the Igbos is simple. We control what they eat. Just watch Nnamdi Kanu degenerate and die, then, know how potent a little bottle of poison would be on a trailer of tomatoes. Enough of this impudence from our infidel slaves. Enough.